In previous class, I explained about ratio. After that, I explained how to write ratio into simplest form. Now today I am going to explain how to calculate equivalent ratio. What is the meaning of equivalent ratio? This same concept we have learned already in the fraction chapter. What is the meaning of equivalent? If same number we are multiplying or dividing into numerator and denominator, that is called equivalent fraction. I told to you ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. Now, how to calculate equivalent fraction? Suppose I am writing here 1 is to 2. I want to find out equivalent fraction. Firstly, ratio I want to write into fraction form. 1 is to 2 means 1 by 2. I want to find out equivalent ratio. Firstly, I want to change into fraction. Again, same number we can multiply into numerator and denominator. 4 by 2 by 4. Third, 1 by 2 into, I want to multiply 3 into numerator and then don't write, listen carefully first. 3 by 6, 1 by 2 into 4 into numerator and 4 into denominator, 4 by 8. Now we can say 1 is to 2 is equal to 2 is to 4 is equal to 3 is to 6 is equal to 4 is to 8. Means all whatever ratio just now we got it, all ratios are equal. Firstly, whatever ratio they have given, we want to convert into fraction form. Again, same number we can multiply or divide into numerator and denominator. Then again, fraction we have to convert into ratio, that is called equivalent ratios. Don't write students, already you have mentioned the chapter name and unit name. No need to mention. In this first chapter, I have explained what is ratio, how to write ratio into simplest form. Now today I am going to explain about equivalent ratio. Left side keep heading, equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratios. Left side keep heading, equivalent ratios. Don't write chapter name again, already you have mentioned chapter name. In this first chapter, second subtopic is going on now, equivalent ratios. Now are you able to see my screen, student? Right, equivalent ratios. If we multiply and divide, if we multiply if we multiply and divide, if we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator, the numerator and denominator, if we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, by the same number, if we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, are called equivalent ratios. equivalent ratios. This concept already we have learned in the fraction chapter. Only here ratio symbol will be there. First ratio we need to convert into fraction. After that we can find out equivalent ratios. Example 1. Suppose first example I am writing, listen carefully student. First example I am writing 6:4. 6:4. This is one dot up, one dot down, one dot down. Already yesterday I explained this is the ratio symbol. Now ratio firstly I need to convert into fraction form 6/4. Can we simplify this? Yes, we can simplify. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. 3/2 is equal to 3:2. We can say 6:4 is equal to 3:2. It is looking like different, but when we are simplifying, both are equivalent ratio. Here what we have done? We have divided by 2 into numerator and denominator. 6:4 is equal to 3:2. Second example, 1:2. Now 1:2, firstly I want to write into fraction form. 1/2. 1/2 can be divided? No, because there is no common divisor between numerator and denominator. Then we have to multiply. Same number I will multiply into numerator and denominator. 2/4. Then I can write here 2:4. Now we can say 1:2 is equal to 2:4. Both are equivalent ratio. If we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by the same number is called equivalent ratio. Whatever ratio they have given, firstly we need to convert into fraction form, then we have to multiply same number into numerator and denominator, or we can divide same number into numerator and denominator. Then we can find out equivalent ratio. Example 3. Example 3. Find five equivalent ratio find five equivalent ratio of 1:5. Find five equivalent ratio of 1:5. Students, are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen, student? Yes. Third example, find five equivalent ratio of 1:5. I want to find out five equivalent ratio of 1:5. How to calculate? Firstly, I want to convert this ratio into fraction form. Solution: 1:5 means I can write 1:5 means I can write here what? 1/5 fraction form. 1:5 I have written into fraction form. Now ratio was 1:5. Now fraction is 1/5. Again I want to find out equivalent ratio. How to calculate? same number we will multiply into numerator and denominator. We can't divide because there is no common divisor between numerator and denominator. That's why we want to do multiplication only. Where will multiply? Original number I want to multiply 1 by 5. I want to multiply 2 into numerator and 2 into denominator. 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10. Again, 1 by 5, I want to multiply 3 into numerator and 3 into denominator. Your wish, student, you can take any number, but same number will multiply into numerator and denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 5 threes are 15. Again, 1 by 5, I want to multiply 4 into numerator and 4 into denominator. 4 ones are 4, 5 fours are 20. Again, 1 by 5, I want to multiply 5 into numerator and 5 into denominator. 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Don't say, sir, can we simplify again? No. That is only equivalent ratio. Means same number we want to multiply and divide. Again, 1 by 5, 6 into numerator and 6 into denominator. 6 1 is 6, 6 5 6 is 30. Now we are observing, students, here what? 1 by now 1 by 5, whatever fraction just now we got it, we want to convert into ratio. 2 is to 10. Firstly, I will write here 1 is to 5 is equal to 2 is to 10 is equal to 3 is to 15 is equal to 4 is to 20 is equal to 5 is to 25 is equal to 6 is to 30. It is looking like different, but actual fractions or actual ratios are equal. I hope you are getting my point, student. Yes. Example 4. Find find 4 equivalent ratio of find 4 equivalent ratio of 2 is to 3. Ratio he has given 2 is to 3. Firstly, ratio I want to convert into fraction form 2 by 3. Again, we can't divide because there is no common divisor between numerator and denominator. Then which operation will do here? Multiplication operation. Now 2 by 3, I want to multiply 2 into numerator and 2 into denominator. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Next, 2 by 3 into 3 divided by 3. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Again 2 by 3. We are multiplying 4 into numerator and 4 into denominator. 8 by 12. 2 by 3. Over which we can multiply 5 into numerator into denominator. Don't ask, sir, why you are multiplying 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wish, students, you can take any number. But same number will multiply in numerator and denominator. 10 by 15. Now we'll write answer here. 2 is to 3 is equal to 4 is to 6 means 4 by 6 means 4 is to 6. 6 is to 6 by 9 means 6 is to 9. 8 is to 12 means 8 by 12 means 8 is to 12. 10 by 15 means 10 is to 15. This is our answer. Yes. 2 is to 3 is equal to 4 is to 6 is equal to 6 is to 9 is equal to 8 is to 12 is equal to 10 is to 15. I hope you got it how to calculate equivalent ratios. Next, example 4, 5. Example 5. I am drawing some ratio strips. This is one type of activity, student. They will give some strips. You have to write into ratio form. You have to write into ratio form. Yes. I am drawing some here ratio strips. Concentrate everyone here. Yes. Here I want to write down. I want to write ratio of shaded to unshaded. What is ratio of shaded to unshaded, student? ratio of shaded to unshaded. How many shaded part is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 are the shaded part. And unshaded, how many are there? 2 part. Means the ratio of shaded, the ratio of shaded to unshaded, the ratio of shaded to unshaded is equal to, firstly I want to count how many shaded part are there. There are 3 shaded partition is there, 3. Unshaded, how many are there? 2. 3 is to 2. If I'm asking question, ratio of shaded to total parts, the ratio of shaded to total parts. What is the answer, student? Ratio of shaded is 3, and total how many partition is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is to 5. This first figure. Draw this figure, everyone. Draw this figure, everyone. Yes. Now in first figure you are observing, students, first one is flower part, second one is flowers. I want to write ratio of flower pot to flowers. How many flower pot is there? 2. And how many flower is there? 3. 2 is to 3. In second figure, how many flower pots are there? 3. And how many flowers are there? 4. 3 is to 4. This is flower pots. This is flower. 2 flower pots, 3 flowers. 2 is to 3. 3 flower pots, 4 flowers. 3 is to 4. If like that question they're asking, firstly we have to count how many things are there. 2 things are there. First is flower pots, second is flower. How many flower pots are there? How many flowers are there? We have to write into ratio. Now everyone open course book. Page number 8. Second bit already yesterday I have given homework. Third bit. State whether the following statements are true or false. 60 persons, 300% is equal to 1 is to 5. Yes, 61 is 60, 65 is 300. Both are equal. Both, both are equivalent ratio. First answer is true. Second bit, third bit, first answer is true. Third bit, page number 8. A question. 60%, 300% is equal to 1 is to 5. Yes, true. Because when we are simplifying, same answer will get. How? See here. 60 by 300. 1010 cancel. 6 1 is 6. 6 5 is 30. It is coming 1 by 5. Means 1 is to 5. First answer is true. Both are equivalent ratio. In B question, 45 kilometer is to 60 kilometer. Means 45 by 60. And 12 by 15. We have to simplify, both are same or not same. Five ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 nines are 45. 9 by 12 is coming and 12 by 15 is coming. Both are equal. Both are not equal. Means second answer is false. 45 by 60 we have simplified. 9 by 12 is coming. 9 is to 12. And 12 by 15, when we will simplify, 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 4 by 5. Both are not equal. Second answer is false. C, 6.5 liter to 13 liters. I want to simplify. 6.5 divided by 13 and 5 by 10. Now after decimal 1 digit, we want to cancel the decimal. Yeah, 65 on the 65, 65 to the 130, 1 by 2 and 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 1 by 2, both are equal. C answer is true. C answer is true. Fourth bit, fourth bit A question. Let's now we have solved this type like that question. Number of triangles to the number of circles inside the box. Inside the box, how many triangles are there? Count everyone. How many triangles are there? 5. Very good. And how many circles are there? 4. First answer is 5 is to 4. B question. Number of squares to the all figure inside the box. How many square are there? 1, 2, 3. And total how many shapes are there? Count everyone. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 is to 12 is equal to 1 is to 4. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. Number of circles to the all figure. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is to total figure is 12. 1 is to 3. Only you have to count, student. D question. Number of circles to the number of triangles inside the box. Number of circles are 4. And how many triangles are there inside the box? 2, 4, 5. 4 is to 5. E answer 3 is to 5. F answer 5 is to 3.